On December 3rd, 2022, we had an opportunity to exhibit our ON30 module at the Melbourne Train Show in Melbourne, Florida. Quite a few people came up to us to ask questions about the 2 foot by 6 foot module we had presented, which was part of a 10 foot by 16 foot 4-piece modular layout, though the other parts have not been completed. So much time was spent chit-chatting, I really didn't get a chance to enjoy everything that is for sale. But December is always the best Melbourne train show there is. Lots of vendors, a lot of interesting layouts, and there's always a wonderful selection. We'd like to thank Andy Schultz from Schultz Space Coast Trains for inviting us to the Melbourne Train Show to exhibit our ON30 module. You can go online to schultzspacecoasttrains.com to look for the next upcoming Melbourne Train Show, and we hope to see you there.